Gray skies above the market stalls. No one's buying, just shadows crawl. Coins clink like an
Looking to trade some stocks today. First stock that I have entered is Suraksha Diagnostic, obviously a short trade. So I shorted at it made an open low of 329, so I'm short at 329. 331 is my stop loss. I'm looking here for a target of 315. Why 315? Let's look at it. So we have a side bar here, the parent whose length is 15 points, and so by breaking this, it has opened us for a target of 314 to 312. This is my target on the stock. The second stock that I think is bearish is Fusion. Now Fusion has got quite some support here, right? But it has broken down from the inside bar again, and the candle structure is also very bearish with a double top, double shoot star, hangman and whatnot, right? So this length is 8 approximately, so we should get around 8 from here, which is around 174, right? We go to weekly chart also. This is failing, so the currently at a very good support. Let's see how it behaves. So in the morning I had recorded the entry, so now just want to go over it about where it closed. So as expected, Suraksha did give 316.55, but that came in the last minute, so obviously I didn't get that, so I closed it around 320. So my risk reward ratio was, so I closed it when it was more 321.7. I closed it. My entry, as you know, was 326.55. But in the last, after the square off was done at 1520, it went and hit 316. So I couldn't get that price, but that's okay. So 1:3 almost risk reward. It tested my patience like anything. It almost went to stop loss also, and then it came down again. So I could add some short here on this candle and just multiply the profit by a bit. Not that it's worked so great. Fusion again, same thing. It fell all the way down, and I covered it around 169. 165 was its lower circuit, so I didn't want to hold on to it. 169 I covered. This is again 1:3 risk reward ratio. So 2 good trades, nothing else today, and I'm really waiting for Nifty to do the next move so that you can trade around. Say this kind of volatility you cannot trade, and so stocks are the instruments that I prefer at this point of time. Every day 2 or 3 trades, just keep taking singles, and that's enough. And soon the big move will come, and next week is pre-budget week, so let's see what the bulls can do. Have a great weekend. Trade well, practice well, and trade safe. Have a great week. Have a great weekend, and have a great week next week. Bye-bye.
Conscience cries are hoarse and broken. Promises sold but no unspoken. Cobwebs collect on the scales. Silent bargains, whispered tales. Chasing fortunes, feeling hollow. Shadow futures won't follow.